Hello everyone, in front of me is Vivo Y16 and let me show you how to update apps on this phone. So at first you need to locate and open your Play Store. Now click on your account icon and select Manage Apps and Device. Here go to Updates. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi because otherwise it will not be possible. And now you can either update all apps at once by tapping on Update All or update some particular apps by tapping on Update, just like this. Then you will be able to observe the progress. Just give it a couple of seconds to perform the action. Wakey wakey. We can go back and check if it's working. Okay, so now you can see that all apps are being updated, so you just have to patiently wait. Obviously you can do whatever you want while it is done, and here you can just observe the progress. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.